Tonight, an example of Cougar Excellence in our communities. We salute proud Crosby graduate Armando Reyes, class of 2020, for donating his time and equipment to beautify Crosby ISD campuses. Reyes is also the youngest member of the Crosby Education Foundation. He's an example of a small business doing well and paying it forward. His company, Reyes Pressure Washing, has one motto.
I'm trying to get a lot of people looking better than the neighbors. That's our motto. You can see it on the bottom of the van, look better than the neighbors.
Now, he's turning his talents toward a new project, making our schools shine.
So when Mr. Bromley contacted me about he was wanting to get a quote to do a couple of the entrances, I just said, you know what, I mean, I'm from the school, I'm a part of the community. I've been a part of the school district my entire life, from kindergarten to 12th grade. And I had a lot of help from teachers and ag teachers and stuff in the FFA. And the least I can do is donate my time back and donate my services. And so when he came to me, I just volunteered and said, oh, don't worry about it. I'll just get all the entrances for free.
These before and after photos show what a difference he made outside Crosby Middle School. Armando removed 10 plus years of grime outside the middle school gym. Next stop, Crosby Elementary School, 2 weeks after school started. The 5 other Crosby ISD campuses are next on his list.
Well, I guess everybody says that they have the best school district, but I truly believe I have the best school district.
Crosby ISD and the Board of Trustees salute you, Armando, as our Community Member of the Month.